Hello and namaste, welcome back to my channel GeoinfoNepal. Today I am going to show you that how to download the bathymetric data using GEBCO site. To do this, I am going to open any browser here and write gebco.net, and this site, this interface is opened. Here is two options: download GEBCO global grid and download polar region. I am going to select download GEBCO global grid. There is also two options. This is download global coverage grid and download data for user defined areas. I am going to select download data for user defined areas, and this interface is opened here. Now to go to this application areas, click this application test here, and then this interface is open now. Then there are many grid versions such as GEBCO 2023 updated file here, and GEBCO sub ice similar this one, and this data is available from 2019. And to select a region, hold the control key and then press and hold the left mouse button. So I'm going to select my area of interest. Okay, these are the four corners of this rectangle, and then I'm going to select the format as GeoTIFF, and then I'm going to select this JPEG format. Also, I'm going to select the shaded relief here, and then the file format is in GeoTIFF. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to click the add to basket here, and then view my basket and download my data. Now I'm going to extract this file. Okay, now this file is going to open in ArcGIS. You can use any GIS software. Visualizing this data. This is the back image only for visualization. Grid documentation. You can read as per as your requirement. And this is GeoTIFF file, which I'm going to open in ArcGIS medium. Okay, this tip format I'm going to add in this format, and I'm going to change the visualization. Okay, classified in 10 classes. Elevation here. Okay, I'm going to use hillside effect, and the class breaks using cell values. Okay, this is the terrain part, and then this is the ocean part here, and here is the elevation range below the ocean level, which we are going to call as bathymetry. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.